Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a happy family event from your childhood that you remember well. You should say, what was the event about, when and where it happened, and explain why do you remember the event.
One happy family event from my childhood that I remember well was my 8th birthday party. The event was a celebration of my birthday and was organized by my parents and siblings. The party was held at our house, and many of my friends from school and their families were invited. The house was decorated with balloons, streamers, and banners, and there was a large cake with candles for me to blow out. We played games like Pin the Tail on the Donkey and musical chairs, and there were prizes for the winners. My parents had also organized a piñata, which was a big hit with the kids. I remember feeling so happy and loved during the party, surrounded by my friends and family. It was a day filled with laughter and joy, and I felt grateful for everyone who had come to celebrate with me. I also remember feeling a sense of excitement and anticipation leading up to the party. It was something that I had been looking forward to for weeks, and it lived up to all my expectations. Looking back, I realized that the party was special not only because of the festivities, but also because it brought together the people who were most important to me. It was a reminder of the love and support of my family and friends, and a cherished memory from my childhood. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.